The craziest nature videos of the decade.
Nature videos from the past 10 years.
Fuck! Man, nature was just like, fuck you on that one.
What are we even watching?
Don't move.
Ceremony. Yes, grab some breaks, like Raza. Always eat. Eating good.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in
took him down.
Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
Well, fuck!
Wow! The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
That was like so slow coming. It was brace for impact indeed. Fucking Christ. That made me jump.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Back in 2020,
A bit of a weak tsunami, but yeah.
this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves. Back in 2016,
Oh
these
my
people were
god, that
hiking in
grandpa went flying. He just went whoosh! Bro, thanks for the follow, fart. Welcome to the delinquents. And mobile phone's back when destroyed Pompeii. Dude, everyone would be grabbing. Oh my god, do you see this? The condo life. Condo life? Why you packed it up?
Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot. This guy was loading up his car when he
Yeah, that was almost a disaster. Like, jeez.
realized that he forgot his wallet. Back in 2018,
That is so fucking lucky, but I guess, like, but also that's similar to the car I used to have, a little Gets. They're so cute. But yeah, damn. Oh, okay.
this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
Man. Woman, further back, further back. She is way too confident. It's like standing there like, that's way too close for me.
In 2023, this driver
That fucking guy screaming, even though it was nowhere. People have no sense of danger. Yeah, people need to be more afraid, honestly. And hitting your car is low, but nowhere near zero. Yeah, yeah.
China was almost hit by these falling rocks. In 2014,
Bro,
this volcano exploded
If that rock seemed like it was going so hard, it would have went straight through your roof.
in Papua New Guinea, and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
Damn.
Where do we get the move?
Ooh.
On November 30th,
It's crazy how sound works, like that you could see it visually pop before the sound.
2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska. This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the
I feel like that's the question. Is it safer to be outside or inside? Like when an earthquake goes off?
craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
Damn. Mordor is going off. The hobbits must be raving. Oh my god. Oh my god. Outside? I guess it makes sense.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
Yeah, it looked cool, right? The volcano lightning rave. That's not terrifying at all.
Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
The fuck was that? Lying on there. I guess it makes sense, but like it's like rain snowing.
And they also got to experience what snow lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but
Snow lightning.
I know I'm gonna get wet.
Damn.
Look, our street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what
The scream. This is what it's like to live
the
in
morning commute
Australia.
looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
This happens like way too often in Oz a lot of the time in our areas, especially rural ones.
Back in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China.
Yeah.
About 12 months ago,
Landslides are way more terrifying than people give it credit for, because like if you're under it, you're just like suffocated to death under a bunch of rubble.
a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois.
Why the fuck is his garage open and everything?
This hailstorm in Texas was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home. He left something outside in the rain,
That hail be angry. We just get rains and floods. Hell, had a flood a few days ago because of the typhoon here. Ugh.
and had to go get it.
Like,
About 7
not
months
worth
ago,
it.
these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind. Here's another rock slide video
Oh my god, he's just on it going zoom. Oh my god. And doors open during a tornado. Is it? Why?
that happened in China in 2023.
Jesus.
Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event.
Oh fuck.
About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a
Guess that makes sense.
wildfire in California.
Fuck that. Why the fuck are they driving through these fucking roads? Thanks for the follow, Arkels. Welcome to the Delinquents and the Disciples. Welcome in, homie. Yeah, like, shouldn't they be evacuated from these areas already? Like, why are they driving here?
This reporter in France got a little too close to
Yes,
this
to-
wave.
Wait, you has to go to work? Fuck off. My life is not worth going to work for. I'd be like, ain't happening, mate, okay? You need to get your head on straight, okay? Down she goes.
Back in 2018,
They're just like on the news. Conveniently, we're actually now hiring. After she gets swept off to sea. Do you all have tornadoes down there? Not in my area. I've never actually seen one ever. I think we get some in northern territory, like up north maybe, but I'm not sure. They're not the most common here.
In Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
Ooh. Terrifying. I remember there was so many movies like about volcanoes when I was a kid that were terrifying to me. Oh, welcome in. I'm glad you're liking the React YouTube stuff, and welcome over, homie. North Queensland and Northern Territory. Yeah, I heard something about like a lot of the places up there get them, but I couldn't tell you much.
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes.
Okay, how many of you guys actually have the impulse to like randomly touch lava? Like honestly, every time I use a blowtorch for cooking and stuff, I always like go, I should touch it, and then it's like, no, don't touch it, that's probably not. It's like the intrusive thoughts.
Tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
That's good.
I know that icebergs are bigger underwater than above water.
Exactly, forbidden marshmallow.
But this is kind of crazy.
What the hell?
In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close.
Yep, that's a fat boy taking the iceberg is bigger at the bottom underneath.
This avalanche.
Very seriously.
In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland. This giant boulder
What the fuck, Finland?
came within inches of crushing this house.
Oh,
Unfortunately, two other
that
boulders
is like,
managed.
if this happened to you, like before it crushed your house, you would. You should go get a lotto ticket, honestly. Exactly, celebrate.
To break free and destroy the other side of the house.
Damn, that part's not
In
as lucky.
2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
See, this is the kind of crap I worry about. Nick, quit it. Stop spamming. This is the kind of stuff I worry about, like going on a cruise or something, because I would literally piss myself if this was happening.
Get that on video.
It's officially over.
In 2021, these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
It'll be content when the ship capsizes. What the fuck, guys? Am I supposed to entertain you even in death? What the fuck? More fun.
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered
Shit, that had shit overflowing? No, I haven't.
a giant avalanche.
Ooh.
This video from 2015
Man, that tree was built different.
shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
That's God.
In 2021, these
God, I'd be like, we're gonna die!
firefighters were driving
Terrible sailor. I'd be a terrible sailor.
through some pretty crazy wildfires in California. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding. This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown
F's unlucky.
away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
He will get taken too.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Bennett!
Okay, it's pretty dumb, I'm not gonna lie. It's not worth saving the $800 if you die. Yeah.
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Whoa!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
Ah, lo agarré, cabal.
This is called a crown flash and was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
In this economy, it's easier to replace the dad.
Whoa!
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Damn, took over the trees.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane.
Jeez.
In 2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
That's probably the dad, but I don't have the content brain. That's why I'm not successful enough as a content creator. I would have prioritized the dad and not recorded. And that's why I'm a failure. Fuck, they're huge.
Mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
Bro, I was like, what is that? The fucking Loch Ness monster coming out of there? What the fuck is arriving from the ocean? Like, it's an iceberg.
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand.
Oh my god, if we ever do our in real life stream, which unlikely to ever happen, we should call it a body cam stream. It's like, I'm on the beat. We're on the beat.
A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year. They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Oh, fuck.
Wow! Whoa! Oh my god!
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year.
Dude has so much faith in that pool because he's literally on the top of a building while this happens. I first did a body cam stream where you hand your Guna tickets to strangers. That would be hilarious.
This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
Let's go. Oh, damn.
These houses in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
That's hilarious. Gotta go fast.
Oh my god.
I like how they were all motorcyclists too that they took out.
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Ooh. Ow, my eyeballs!
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice. In June
crazy.
2020,
that's the kind of stuff you would assume what the apocalypse.
Landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea.
Oh my god, everyone that lives there are the unluckiest fuck that unlucky fucked. Yeah, this is like fucking... It has arrived. Oh, Goku, yeah.
All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt.
That's lucky.
Oh my god!
Oh, man, we
In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe
My house is in the sea! Oh my god!
that it destroyed this bridge.
I wonder if it has to do with, like, rising sea levels, too, because apparently, like, a lot of European countries spend millions upon millions a year trying to, like, stop, like, the sea eroding their land, so... There it goes. That guy is just right there. Hey, been also good. We're just like chilling and we're doing some stuff. Now that I'm back in the time of the living, I guess. Half of the levels are below sea level. That makes a lot of sense, I guess. Damn, the more you learn. You guys make me so smart.
In 2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
Run, bitch! Run!
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experienced some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment. In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
Oh, that's kind of crazy. I didn't know that.
What the f? Yeah, een tornado.
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in April 2024.
Damn.
This giant tornado
That was lucky than
that
full.
was seen moving through Canada.
America's like,
That
oh,
is
we've
the end of
had
this
bigger.
video. Let me know if you want to
We've had bigger.
see more videos
Yeah,
like this one.
you did a good job saving that for real. And welcome an old bull.
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
So damn. It's like one of those things I wish I could see a tornado, but I feel like it's for the best I never do. You know? It's like, it would be cool to see, but you know it's terrifying.